Hello, it's Furkan from Mevo. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can create an AI-powered bot by using Mevo. Let's start. Click on the Create a New Bot. Choose AI-powered bot option. This is the first step of our builder. We can customize the background design and layout for our bot. Background design and layout options only will be available if you use your bot as bot page. The bot name is also the title of your bot, which will be shown on the top of your bot view. The second step is configure. We can configure our bot behavior. We can provide some information to our bot from this view. There are three different sections in this view. The first one contains some buttons, which allows us to configure our bot settings. The second section is live preview for our bot. All changes that we made from this section will be testable from this live preview section. And the third section is active settings. It basically shows us which settings active for this bot currently. For example, currently this bot is represented by Apple, or with others saying, this bot is represent Apple. The default value of represented comes from organization name. Since our organization name is Apple, this is what we are seeing on here. The language model, first message, public message, and other settings can be seen from this section. Let's start by configuring our primary settings. The first thing we can change is who or which organization will be represented by this bot. In this example, we want to represent Apple. And the second option is which language model will be used by this bot. The chat history feature allows our bot remember the previous messages in the conversation. For example, if you disable this option, our bot won't remember the previous messages of user. We can also customize first message or fallback message options for our bot. The fallback message is the hard-coded message if visitor asks something unrelated to our bot's context. As you can see, when I clicked on the Save button, the live preview section already reloaded with the new settings. Let's add some products. In this view, we can add product or service, depending on our business model. We can add another product by clicking on this button, or just remove by clicking on this trash icon. Now we defined two different products. As you can see, there are three different inputs for product: the name, price, and description. After select the products, we can see in active settings section with name, price, and description information. Let's try. And we can provide some custom information to our bot. For example, this section mostly can be used for the cases we need to provide some information which is not our product or services, like some limits, some custom policy, or other things. As you can see, the custom information we provided also will be shown from the active settings section. Let's try. The other option is providing custom prompt. For the custom cases, which you want to provide your own system message, you can use this view. But providing custom prompt from this view will be override products and services and custom information. Your bot configuration will remain same, but all the answers generated by your bot will look on your custom prompt. Let's finish. As you can see, our bot is ready to use. We can use it as standalone web page, as pop-up, or just embed in our web pages. Thanks for your time.